got me down again.
Despite COVID, we are getting out and about. We are at the Mbrp headquarters. We've gone for a full tour again. The facility is amazing. The dynos and flow testing and technology they put into their systems is amazing. Really, really impressed. Got to thank the guys. Super awesome. As I transition from one vehicle to the next, we're gonna keep the partnership going. So stay tuned for more.